Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify AWS Lambda function logs in CloudWatch Insights, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify AWS Lambda function logs in CloudWatch Insights, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudWatch service by searching for it in the search bar at the top of the console. Once in the CloudWatch dashboard, locate the menu on the left side. Click on the Logs option under the Logs section. In the Logs section, find and select log groups. You will see a list of log groups associated with your AWS services. Look for the log group that corresponds to your Lambda function. Lambda log groups typically have the naming format of /AWS/Lambda/function name. Click on the appropriate log group to view the specific log streams. Within the log group, you'll find multiple log streams listed by date. Choose the log stream you want to inspect, usually the most recent one. Now, you will see a list of log events generated by your Lambda function. To dive deeper into your logs, click on the Insights option in the left-hand menu. In CloudWatch Insights, you'll be able to write queries to filter and analyze log data. Use the query editor to specify your parameters for searching your Lambda logs. For basic log retrieval, you can start with a simple query like fields at timestamp, at message sort at timestamp desk. Run the query to see the results displayed below the query editor. You can refine your query further to focus on specific errors or performance metrics if needed. After running your queries, analyze the output to find any relevant information or issues. Adjust your queries as necessary to hone in on specific data points in your logs. Once you're satisfied with your analysis, take note of any insights gained for troubleshooting or performance monitoring. This will help you ensure your Lambda functions are executing as expected and identify any areas for improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.